Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detail video to show you the technical aspects and the installation of the Stow PIR shown for use in the rear of a minivan, in this case a Honda Odyssey. So we're going to really dig in here, show you how the lift is installed, how does it work, what are the technical aspects, and what does it mean for your use of your vehicle. So come on over and let's have a look. So we've got a controller here, up, down, in and out. So you can do multiple operations at the same time. And of course, this particular unit has a power rotation feature. That's an option that's available only on very specific vehicles and for an additional extra cost, a substantial additional extra cost. So you'll notice that we have two different controllers. They're on one pad that's based on Velcro here, out and in and up and down, and we have them separated out because you can actually remove the different portions of the lift separately. So that gives you that capability. And also available as an option, you can have a Velcro pad on the side of the vehicle to allow you to connect or disconnect. Now the system, it's all battery operated, so you're not modifying the vehicle whatsoever. This is the battery here for the up-down actuator. You simply remove the electrical connector and pull the battery right out. These are rechargeable. They are 29 volt, and they're rechargeable in your vehicle through any cigarette lighter. We do supply an adapter, and of course you can bring this into your home. You can bring the entire lift into the home and charge it on AC. You should get about 30 for a 235-pound wheelchair. You should get about 35 cycles, and it does decrease over time. But these are, really easy, and they are available from Access Unlimited should yours wear out eventually. So let's show you how the lift works and show you how to remove the lift. So there's your up and down motion. We can get a good view of that. You'll notice you've got this portion here. This has also got the same kind of battery in it. There is no modification whatsoever to the vehicle. In other words, we've drilled no holes in the vehicle. You'll notice there's a sill plate here, and this sill plate is a Honda part that is supplied by Access Unlimited. It does have some special modifications on it, but the good news is you're going to keep your original one. So if you have a leased vehicle or you just don't like drilling holes in your vehicle, you simply remove the lift. All the holes are factory holes, so we don't modify anything. Put the original one back in, and you literally could not tell that you had a lift installed in the vehicle. So the mounts are all mounted under here in this area, and you'll notice that we do have some belts here. These are wheelchair. These are just basically some belts to retain the wheelchair from rolling around. They are not wheelchair tie downs. It's not meant for occupant use or anything like that. It's just to keep the wheelchair from rolling around inside the vehicle. This is all built in here and in the specially modified sill plate. And then we've got a mount over here. How do we do this? How do we keep away from modifying any of the plastic or structure? And that's because we literally go into the seat bolt in the right rear there, and you're going to be able to see a little better when we flip the seat up exactly how it's connected. But the great news is, literally, we have not drilled any holes. That goes right down to one of the seat bolt locations. And then, of course, the optional power rotation is an add-on that's going to go in here, and we're also going to show you how that works. That add-on, you take that right in and out. So normally you would just have this portion here, and then this portion is additional if you do get that powered rotation option. So let's start out with basically we're going to pop this unit off and show you how it works. Rotate the unit in a little bit. There's a pin that actually can remove the lift. So we take that right there, remove that. You just take the belt, pop that right off. Now you've got access to taking the lift right off of the vehicle. And of course, I forgot to remove the controller here. But that's your whole lift right there. It's very, very lightweight. It's aluminum and steel, but it's a very lightweight unit. You can just hold it up with a couple of fingers. I'm going to put that right there. So this is the portion that is going to remain in your vehicle. This is the add-on portion here for the powered rotation. So that's not going to normally be there if you don't have that function, and most people buy it without the powered rotation. Good news is you can also remove this portion right here. So you can leave this right here if you want, or if you want to be able to flip the seats up and down, or make life a little easier, you just simply take this right here, remove the power cord, pull the pin, and your whole rotate mechanism also comes out. Looking in a little closer here, you can see where the powered rotation is actually an accessory that mounts right in here. So we just put that right in, a couple of set screws, no modification. On the Honda, we've got a little power outlet, so it's real easy if you ever wanted to charge your lift up. On this particular vehicle, and most modern vehicles have that. That's your Velcro pad for your controllers. And the great thing is, here we are, we're able to just totally use the seat normally. Your seat goes up just like it always did. And the same over here. We're able to take the seat, put it up. And the other thing that a lot of customers like is you're able to actually use, if you've got the right size wheelchair and you want to put it right down in this well right here, you can actually do that. And we have extra sets of belts for tying down the lift as well. And then of course, if the lift is not in use, take the belts right here, lie them flat, and put the seats right back down on the top of them. So lots of different options here. And then again, this portion right here, that can be completely removed. So everything is modular. Now, when we take this off, you can really see a little bit more of the structure here, how we've connected into the right rear seat bolt. We've got a nice, good, strong, stiff structure here. And these units are available. So standard weight capacity is 275 pounds, but we do make up to 350-pound unit. This portion of the system is shared by the Multi-Lift PIR product line. So if you've seen the Multi-Lift PIR designed for lifting people as well as wheelchairs, you're going to use the exact same system. And in fact, if you have an Easy Stow in the rear, but you want to use a multi-lift in the front, and sometimes you want to move the multi-lift to the back, it all shares a common platform. So that's another engineering advantage to the product. Thank you so much for taking our tour here and learning about the product. We hope that you've enjoyed what you've seen. This is a detailed video, so it's meant to be seen in conjunction with other videos in the notes field down below. So the product is the Easy Stow PIR. This particular one is with powered rotation option. So check out the other videos, see what you think, and also give us a call or contact us in any way. We have lots of ways to get a hold of us. If you want to like us on Facebook, you can communicate with us over Facebook Messenger at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos showing you this and many other exciting products at youtube.com/accessun. You can follow us on Twitter at accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. And of course, we look forward to hearing from you through our website, the way many people contact us at www.accessunlimited.com, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time in the United States. And evenings and weekends are no problem. If you've got a busy schedule, we're available at 615, that's country code 1-615-873-0518. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Easy Stow PIR with powered rotation. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Get your feedback, and again, have a great day and happy mobility.